Good day everyone, this is Sebastian for Jet Set. I'm currently in Amsterdam.
And in today's episode, we're going to do the most terrifying swing in the world at Over the Edge. We're also going to take a look at the Anne Frank house, the red light district, the Lovers Cruise, and also I'm going to give you some really good food advice.
So let's not waste any time, let's go and explore this beautiful city.
Also, if you do not want to miss one of my episodes, make sure you subscribe and click on the bell to get notified every time I upload a new content. Alright, let's get started.
So today I'd like to talk to you about the things that you should do and you should see here in Amsterdam. I would definitely recommend to do the Canal tour, the boat cruise. It's fantastic.
That is correct. The Lovers Canal cruise will take you by some of the Amsterdam best sites on its day canal cruise. The cruise will last for about 1 hour and you will see the Skinny Bridge, the Vox ship, the dock, just to name a few. Now the Lover Cruise offer audio system that will actually be in 16 different languages, so passengers from all around the world can actually learn more about Amsterdam and the attraction and all the sites passing by. What I also like about the Lovers Cruise is it's located right downtown, and they also offer departure every 20 to 30 minutes between 9 a.m. and 10 p.m. Alright, after a 1 hour cruise, very relaxing, let's have some fun. Take the free ferry from the train station to the lookout. Head to the tall tower you see here on the screen. Trust me, you will not forget this experience. Yes, it's very scary, but it's a lot of fun.
So we're going to look at ticket options. I believe they have a ticket that's 12 euros to go up. You can also add 2 drinks, 2 beers or soft drinks. You can also do the swing, it's an extra 5 euros. And you could also include for an extra fee, I'll put the information below, burger and beer. And also I believe it's a 5-course dinner as well.
Alright, so Over the Edge is actually located on the 22nd floor of this former Shell building. From the top, you will have a bird-eye view of this historical center, the red light district, and the famous port. So I was able to convince my coworker, got our ticket, and up we go. So most of us decided to do the combo ticket with the drink and also the attraction.
Alright, so once you get to the top, just make sure you go for your drinks. I think it's only 6 euros more and you get 2 drinks of your choice.
Now while you're enjoying drinks with your friends, also make sure you walk around the bar. The lookout is a 360 view. They have the most amazing view of Amsterdam. Also make sure that you find the glass floor. Now make sure you look at your ticket, and when it's almost the time that you book for the swing, head upstairs and get ready to have some fun.
Alright guys, so we're just about to go into the swing. It's really high, a little windy, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Going with my friend Yvette, so we'll see how she reacts. I basically forced her to do it.
Now keep in mind, when you're on the ride, smile, have fun because you're on camera. So here to give you a good idea of what it's like, here's my little montage that I purchased from them.
So that was definitely a must. Do it on a very nice clear day where it's not too windy or too cloudy. One of our friends actually was a little scared, but she did a really good job. So now we're going for dinner. One of the good places I like to eat as well is this little cafe restaurant right here, right across from the train station. Apparently it's a big chain here in the Netherlands. It's really good, and the train station is actually right here.
So for over 30 years, the Café Leja has served as a landmark in Amsterdam. The tourists and also the local will actually eat here. If it's warm enough, sit outside. The views are absolutely stunning. Also, make sure that you go early. This place is very popular and it may be hard to get a table. Now the best meal here, definitely that juicy butter steak with fries. Some say it's the best steak in the Netherlands. I also tried the burger. It was also a really good choice.
Hello from Amsterdam. I'm going to check out today the Anne Frank house. I hear it's only about like half hour, so we'll see.
The Anne Frank house is a museum with a story. You will experience this story through a free audio tour, quote, photos, video, and also some original items. Now good to know is the Anne Frank house can only be visited with an online ticket for a specific date and also time. 80% of the tickets are released exactly 2 months in advance at noon. So if you did not get lucky the first time to book your ticket in advance, you have a second chance. The remaining 20% are actually released on the Anne Frank house website the day itself and at 9 a.m. Alright, now it's time to grab a snack. So I decided to head to the Melly's Stroop waffle. I hope I pronounced this correctly, but what is a Stroop waffle? So it's very famous here in the Netherlands. So it's basically a thin waffle that are made from a stiff dough of flour, butter, brown sugar, yeast, milk, and eggs. And then they basically press it into a hot waffle iron until they're crisp. While it's still warm, they will also spread between the waffle this rich caramel filling. But also at Melly's, they will add extra toppings if you'd like. And our last stop is the famous red light district. As you can imagine, we're not allowed to take any pictures or any videos once you're inside that district. But here you will see a sex shop, there's peep show, museum. It's actually really safe even at night because it's a big tourist attraction for adult, of course. I really hope you enjoy our episode today. Make sure you click subscribe to our channel. Be the first one to see my video. Like, share, and feel free to give me any feedback. I always love to hear from you guys. This is Sebastian for Jet Set. Thank you so much for watching.